Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw a beautiful flower pot easy. So let's start. Let's do with me. It will be enjoyable also. Use your hand freely and slowly, don't be quick. And also when we draw a picture, if you have small mistakes, don't think about them. Do it relaxing. And let's draw leaves like this. Here also leaf. And the flowers. These flowers are so much easy. These are so much for beginners and kids and all art lovers. We draw 3 flowers like this. And leaf here too. And sunflower art. You can add anything. And here leaf. And here also leaf. And here another flower art like this. This is so cute, you know. And here few leaves. They are so small. And here also like this. Same one. And sunflower art. Here and here. So this is our final flower pot. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you.